welcome to Cluster Repairs UK, your trusted partner for expert automotive display repairs and parts. Today we will be showcasing the spare part complete display for the BMW F45 Activ Tourer 6.5-inch central infotainment display, better known as CID. This part is known to fix several common issues, like black spots or marks across the screen, discoloration, scratches or cracks, a screen that turns fully black or white, or missing sections of the display. Here's an example of a faulty screen. This is the exact same part we use in our own professional repairs, which are backed with a lifetime warranty. Cluster Repairs UK only supplies genuine, authorised factory-sourced parts. Each one comes from trusted European distributors, includes a 12-month warranty, and passes strict quality control. With 2 UK locations and award-winning customer service, you can be confident you've chosen a premium service you can rely on. And now, after repair using a brand new original screen, you can see the result, fully responsive and looking as good as new. This spare part is available for professional repairers and DIYers. With your purchase, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed, step-by-step tutorial video, filmed to trade standards to guide you through the repair and to a professional outcome with ease. If you require any further information or assistance, simply click the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always here to help. We appreciate you joining us. Until next time.